I'd like to introduce you now to the Guzzle H2O stream. This is a stream. There is my truck, and I'm in need of clean drinking water.
I'm Andrew St Pierre White, explorer, overlander and broadcaster with over 40 years driving 4x4s in association with Egon, game-changing simplicity. For those who like to go camping, there is nothing more enjoyable than a warm evening, a fire, food being prepped, smells wafting around the tents and vehicles, and the knowledge that you have endless, clean, safe drinking water. I have a product that I've just used for the first time, and I'm really quite excited about it. Our latest epic Aussie adventure, 3 blokes searching for water in the desert, is currently running on our sister channel, Overland-Workshop. The link is in the description. Right, now where were we? With my previous Land Cruiser builds, I have installed a water purification system inside the vehicle so that when I take water out of the tank, it is purified before I drink it. And if it goes to the shower and things, it's not purified. I'm trying a different take this time. This is the Guzzle H2O, pure water, no trash. It's called the Stream. The one I used before was a smaller unit called a Stealth. So I'm going to give this a try. It has an inbuilt filter and an inbuilt battery and an inbuilt pump. And what I'm going to do for this exercise is I'm just going to top up this container with river water. The river water is actually quite clean as it is now, but certainly not good to drink in its current state. So I'm going to lower that into the water, and I'm going to try and make sure that it doesn't scoop up any mud, unnecessary mud. And then I'm going to press the button. Now this is the very first time I've used this unit, so it's going to pressurize itself. Okay, it's coming through. It's black. See that water's black? The reason why it's black is it is purging the filter. It's a brand new system. There it is. Wonderful. Alright, so we're going to fill up that. It's very simple, and the idea of being portable is that I bought with it the extension pipe. So if my vehicle was at a bit of a distance from the water source, I can use the extension, and I'm going to turn that off so you can hear me, and plug in the extension, and I fitted a fitting like that, so I can use this to directly fill the water tank in my car. So really the choice is, do you want to purify the water before it goes into the tank, and then perhaps even purify it again when it's taken out for drinking? Doing it that way, your filters won't last as long, but you'll never be left with contaminated grey water or water that might contain some pathogens sitting in your water tank in your vehicle or caravan, because you really don't want that. You want to make sure that the water that goes into the tank is clean. Yes, flush it, etc., but those pathogens could remain behind. The safest way of doing it is to clean the water, and this is not only the filter, there's also an ultraviolet that cleans the water before it goes into my tank, and then it should be good enough to drink or do whatever I want with it. I like that very much, very, very much indeed. It also comes with attachments so that if you want to connect it to pressurized mains water, you can. So if you're filling from mains and you're not sure of the safety, clarity and cleanliness of the water, you use the same system and it'll do the same job. What do you reckon? That's the Guzzle H2O Stream. It's a great solution. Really nice. I think, yeah, it's more versatile than having the Stealth mounted permanently in the vehicle. Specifications: maximum flow rate pumping water like this, 2.7 litres a minute, battery runtime 50 minutes, treated water capacity per battery charge
about 121 litres. Activated carbon filter, 0.5 micron. Reduces sediment, chlorine taste and odour. VOCs, NSF41 emerging contaminants, lead, mercury and other chemical contaminants. Will not remove heavy metals or toxins. 1,000 gallon or 6-month capacity. The LED UVC purification, 99.9% reduction in protozoa, bacterial and viruses. Has a 10,000 hour lifespan and tested and certified by NSF International against NSF Standard 55 for materials and structural integrity.
Yeah. Yeah.
My Land Cruiser is equipped with 3 Egon game-changing simplicity products. I'm going to highlight one right now. It's called the Egon Water Hub. Imagine trying to figure out all of the plumbing so that you can have drinking water, grey water, hot water, water to your kitchen, water to your shower. The Egon DC Hub does that in one place. And it is like paint by numbers. You run the pipe from your freshwater tank in the one end. You run a pipe from your grey water tank or external source to another input. You run your hot water to another output. You run your cold water to another output. Done! If you're struggling with the build of your caravan or your 4x4, your camper trailer, and you're not sure how to do the plumbing, Egon Water Hub is the answer. It will save you a huge amount of brain damage trying to figure out what, where and how. It's even got a temperature mixer, so when the water comes out of your shower or kitchen, it is at the perfect temperature, i.e. no waste. Plug it in and it just works.